I'm coming to you with a tutorial today on how to make soft pretzels. I'm going to try to get it as close as I can to Auntie Annie's because my husband's asking me for these and he's been asking me for the longest, so I decided to make it today. So here are the ingredients that we need. We need 5 to 7 cups of all-purpose flour. You need your vegetable spray or Pam spray, whichever you have to spray your bowl. You need some plastic wrap. You need 1 pack of the yeast, active dry yeast. You need 4 tablespoons of butter, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, cinnamon. You need 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 cups of warm water, 2 cups of warm milk, and then some extra butter for basting once your presses come out. And then I'm going to do mine in my mixer, and then also need your strainer, of course. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to add our 2 cups of milk to the bowl, and this is warm already. Your milk should be warm to the touch, not to the point that it will burn you. Then I'm going to add my 1 pack of yeast to the milk, and we're going to let this activate for a few minutes. Give it like 5 minutes or so. And just mix it around. And make sure you get it broken up. And we're going to let that activate for 5 minutes. Now after this has set a while and it got a little foamy and I mixed in it. Now you take your 4 tablespoons of butter that I have melted, and now you're going to place that in the bowl. Mix it around some. Now we're going to add that. We're going to add our 6 tablespoons of brown sugar to this. It could be light or dark, it doesn't matter. Then we're going to add our 2 teaspoons of salt. And we're going to give that a mix. Now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of flour at a time. And we're going to use only maybe 5 to 7 cups of flour. And this is all-purpose flour. So let me get my flour ready. Okay, so here's my first cup of flour. And that's 1 cup. I'm going to turn my mixer on low. Give my bowl a spin. See, my mixer didn't come with 2 dough, like a big paddle to just go in the middle. As a matter of fact, hold on, let me stop this. Switch sides. Okay. And I'm going to help it out by mixing it as well. Cup number 2. And I'm going to keep doing this until I get all the cups incorporated, at least 5 to 7. Okay, so far I added 5 cups of flour, and my dough still looks a little wet. So I'm going to add the 6 cup, and that should be enough for me. I'm not gonna use the mixer no more. I'm just gonna use my hand and my this thing in my hand, the spatula. Then I'm gonna get on my work surface and I'm gonna knead the dough 50 times.